Got this sniper rifle as well. It looks pretty sweet. It's called the Epitaph 2261. Another sniper rifle with void damage. We've got our 3 different barrels. Bonus accuracy when crouched. Lightweight gives you agility. Armor piercing rounds over penetrate targets. And perfect balance. As well as final round. The last round in the magazine deals bonus damage. It's a pretty decent sniper rifle. Unfortunately, it's only got 4 rounds and no way to make more. So I doubt we'll ever use this. But it's something new that we hadn't found.